Namaskar friends, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. I've already talked about the temples, the DIY folding temples that we have shipped to global locations out of India also. Many customers want temple in different locations across the globe, and sending a big unit is quite difficult and costly also by air, door delivery. So what we do is we make DIY small temples, so we can send it in different packages, small packages, to save on the cost. The most important part is that it should be an easy assembly that you can do it at your home by yourself. That is DIY, do it yourself. Now, if it is a little difficult to install, then it makes a little issue for you because out of India, the costing of carpenters and outside help is quite steep. So that's why we have made one more temple. I can show you how we make a regular temple, a fixed unit that is sent in India, DIY model for international customers. Here this is a temple, these are all the parts of the temple. This is the top part. Now this is the base part, and this part cannot be made further folding because this has to be fixed in any case. If you make it folding, it would be quite difficult for you to install the unit by yourself. Now this is the garbhagriha. As this is a big unit, the weight of the unit is quite, it will be a little heavier. Now, this will go in the slots provided. Here we have some slots. You can see these slots. At the back also we have the same space. Now in this space it fits perfectly on both the sides. Now this is the top part. Here again we have slots. So you go here. Done. Top room. Very simple installation, can be done easily by anyone. Now to permanently fix the unit, once you have installed it, here we have this. The screw will go inside and you tighten the screw. You can use a hand drill or a simple screwdriver. Two here and two this side. Once this is done, the work is complete. Now these are the bells. You hang the bells, and these are pure brass bells with silver lining in this. Installation is complete. Once you hang the bells, you can also tighten these hooks with some tool and with a plier, so they'll be fixed permanently. Here you have a deer tray and a big rod to keep your essentials, and the unit is complete. Quick installation, simple installation, you can do it at home, and easy transportation to save on the cost. Some small packages. Thank you.